Hello everyone, in this video I will share how to split screen on Samsung A14. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Here I give an example. Yaps. I will opening the YouTube application while I read the news on the Google page. How you tap on recent apps. Okay, next tap on the apps icon. Okay, next tap open in split screen view. Yaps, like this. Next, open the Scone application. Okay, successfully. I will close the Scone application like this. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful for all. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.